What's up, guys? This is Sandeep here. I just bought a clog shoe for my kid. So initially, I was a little bit skeptical whether I should buy online or not because of the size issue. My kid is 20 months old, so ordered this 18 to 24 months. But when I received it, I found that it's in smaller size because my kid has good height. I returned that and I got 2 to 2.5 years age group size, and now it's properly coming to his fit, and I found it very good. Actually, I was not expecting that online I will get such a good quality shoe, but it's really nice one. So there are different colors available: indigo, light blue, red and white, yellow and blue. So I like this light blue, so I got that. So that shoe is really comfortable. It's made up of ethylene nail acetate. It's a pull-on type shoes, so that I can easily fit that shoe in my kids' fit. It's very easy, comfortable, and he's enjoying it. So I would recommend if you want to buy a clog type shoe, definitely go for this. I have given a link in the description. And if your kid is having good height, then go for one larger size. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please share and subscribe.